I'm going to show you 5 things that can be done and that you can do inside the Instagram Edits app. A few of them will surprise you, but the last one, stick around for that, as that is a brand new feature that not many people know about yet. Right, let's get started, but before we do, we're going to do all of that in under 10 minutes. Let's hit the timer. Off we go. So the things we're going to cover off, the 5 top features that I'm going to show you today, which you'll be able to follow along with within my app that I'm showing on screen. We're going to cover off the clone or the cutout feature that is in Edit's app, the teleprompter, stickies and storyboards, saving the inspiration you see, and finally, adding links, the new feature. But we'll get to that. So first up, let's get into the cutouts. So we're going to open up the Edits app and we're going to go over to projects down the middle, which is that bottom one down here. Let me turn that on. Here we go. So you can see where I'm tapping. We're going to hear gallery. And in this instance, I am going to add in the Lego version of me. What do you reckon? Do you reckon it looks like me? I'm hoping you do. I'm just going to expand that so you can see. Check me out. To edit it, you need to make sure you tap on the actual footage down below. So in this case is the image. Then I'm just going to expand it to make this as large as I can and kind of fit within our screen. And I'm going to make there be 2 of me, basically. 2 of those Lego minifigures appear. So the way I'm going to do that is I'm going to make sure I stick that right in the end. And then down below, once it is selected here, down here in yellow, as you can see, this 3 second and if I expand it, I can make it longer. I'm going to scroll along until I find cutouts. Where it is, cutout. Now, if you press auto or custom, custom is a little bit fiddly, but it means you can select the areas that you want to cut out. I'm going to hit auto because it does a pretty good job all by itself, as you can see. It's selected in yellow, and as you can see, it's also put another track, which is the brand new cutout track, and I can kind of turn it off and turn it on, above it. So it's in yellow. So now if I tap that yellow area and I just drag it across, you'll see I've now duplicated. And I'm just going to basically place it over an area where it would fit nicely over the Lego studs. So you can see, we might be able to, no, we'll go back there. There we go, just to make sure it's there. Nice. And if I tap off it, you'll be able to see. And I've just, in that easy way, I've just duplicated the minifigure. And obviously you could do this with people, you can do this with objects, you can do this video and images. So have a play around with that cutout effect, see how you can get creative, but also it will work for those, you know, those 2 people conversations that people have where it's the same person in different shots or in the same screen. That will also work as your cutouts. Right, we're going to move on now to the teleprompter. So to get to the teleprompter, if you want to get rid of that project and you want to head over to the 4th icon at the bottom, which is your camera screen. The 5th icon down is teleprompter. If you tap that, it ends up with your script there. You can move your script around if you want to. Well, I want to add text in there, so I'm just going to pop out, and here's one I made earlier, which is a mini poem that I got AI to create for me, all about this series. So I'm going to copy this, and then I'm going to head over to the teleprompter, and I'm going to paste the script in here. Okay? So holding down that, we're going to paste. Great, done. That's what it looks like. In this icon here, you've also got the speed in which you're going to read, and which I'm going to keep about there. And you've also got the text size, which I'm going to keep about there. But you can play around that, and obviously it can be larger. I'm going to hit the record here for you, so you're going to see me kind of do it live and read out this poem for the series, just so you can see how it works. So let's hit record. 5 things the app can do that will blow your mind. A clone of yourself, 2 of a kind. A teleprompter, keeping your words on track. 21 videos and we're never looking back. Storyboard, stickies, a workspace to plan, inspiration saved with the swipe of a hand. Links inside Reels, did you know that was there? 21 days of tutorials, pull up a chair. By the end of this series, you'll edit like a pro. Welcome to the Edits app. Here we go. There we go. Didn't work out too bad, didn't it? I was all right at that. Let's stop that. So then and your settings, and if you press along, it'll add it into a project. As you can see, there's our project, and there's me reading the script with the teleprompter. So and really useful. You don't need to have a separate app anymore. It's built in. You get some settings to play around with. So yeah, you can use that teleprompter to, if you're a little unsure, especially with like openings and closings or short sentences within your video, can be really helpful so you don't have to learn your lines. Right, next up, we have got Stickies and storyboards. So first of all, we want to do is come out of this project and we're going to go over to the left-hand tab. We're going to go stickies. First one along, there's all the things I've captured, and then you've got stickies. So all the elements that I've saved previously. We'll come to that in a different video. If you head down the bottom and press the plus icon, what's really good here is you can say episode 1, so you can start planning and borrowing inspiration for future videos. And you can record those within the app so you can come back to them later on. So Instagram Edits app, it seems to be heading more like an all-in-one encompassing like video project manager. So you can edit within it as well, and that's really powerful, but it's got other elements that complement that. And one of those is like the storyboard technique. So I'm gonna add the script in here again, paste, but also, as you'll see, you've got storyboard. So I could say, right, episode part 1, like let's add that picture of me in there with the Lego minifigure, and I can be like, right, scene 1, talk about cut out effect or tool or whatever, save, and then you can add again, and then you can add again. So you add the next one, and then the next one we're talking about teleprompter. There you go, save. And then you've saved your ideas and your track and what your plan is for that video to come back to at a later time. And don't forget, if you've saved it all in there, you can use the teleprompter for your script. So it, again, is all encompassing. So use stickies to plan videos and to save different parts of inspiration to come back to so that you know what you're going to work on next. Anyway, let's move on. Saving inspiration. If you head over to this play button, this icon at the bottom, you're going to find loads of videos that are being suggested for you. And what's really good, if you go to the bottom right-hand corner, so again, if we go, let me turn this back on, down here, you'll be able to see that I can save some of these. I'm going to save all of these. So go back over here, save this one, and go back over here and save the last one as well. And that's a what I've saved there is, go away, come on, is the background, the text, and the audio. And then if I go over to the first tab again, you'll be able to see that if I head over to, it doesn't work, does it? Quick. If I head over to text, I've saved the background, the text, for me to be able to use this text style. Put it in a gallery, pick it over the top of me again. And there we go. I can now write this, and I've borrowed this. So test title. So I've taken that, I've borrowed that directly from the video that we were watching a minute ago, this one here. I've kind of grabbed the element and I've put it in. So a really good way to link your elements together. Right, last one, and probably the most powerful one. So I'm glad if you stuck around for this number 5. This is the first in the series, by the way. Now we're going to be every weekday in the rest of this month. This series is going to bring you some more tutorials. So here we go. We're going to go back to what we created before. We're going to pick one of these. This is the one I did with the teleprompter. And we're going to go, at this point, I start talking about something really specific about another video that I've created. I'm going to go to links, I'm going to go to reels, and I'm going to go to my reels. And from my reels, I'm going to pick this one here. Now, when we save and export this, at this point here, it will refer to this video that our audience can tap on and watch. So first of all, I can make it a bit smaller and put it up in the corner, which is nice, so people can see what I'm talking about. They can tap on that when they watch it, and it will take them to that video. So you get to link the videos together and create like a series or a route for people to follow different videos. The other thing you could do is, if you're doing shout outs or if there's a particular account you want to point it to, you can also tap that, go to links, come out of that, go to links, go accounts. I'm going to go Lego because that's how we roll here. Lots of Lego inspired stuff. Going to make it large, and now people can tap on that and it will go to that account as well. So they're the 5 things. We covered off cutouts, teleprompter, stickies and storyboards, saving inspiration, and now adding links to your videos. And when you save that, people can jump over to a video or jump over to an account. I hope you've enjoyed it. There's going to be more of this series coming. So make sure you stick around, make sure you're subscribed. For everyone who's been here before, great. That is 10 minutes.